Time for another adventure. Good morning guys, and today we're in the city of Bouillon. First stop is the castle. Bouillon! It's very pretty. Chateau to the right. Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have Durex in your bag?
No.
Looks like it. Nina's going for sex in the castle.
There's one way to become a princess. Oh, nice.
Woo! Okay, this is cute. De Gare Hollandais. We zijn ook overal. Into the darkness we go. Harry Potter.
Give me some more.
Ja, doei! Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
This is so low. This is insane. Oh my god. C'est le souterrain. Torture chamber. Oh!
Meryl, what did you do now? Fuck, they got me.
Finally, they took their pretty sweet time.
Should I do the ankle brace?
Some tomatoes.
No! I'm innocent!
Hij is like, geef mij eten, geef mij eten. Hey, bitches.
What you doing?
What am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah, I liked it a lot. It was a really nice castle.
It was a good castle. 10 out of 10.
Definitely, definitely.
Ja. Dan vallen, hè?
Echt hè? Ging bijna tussenuit.
Tussenuit! Chester?
Chester.
Oh ja, dat kan ook.
Esther! So we've been playing for like an hour. And Esther is still not dead, but I played out Merel and Mulder. I've got like a lot, pretty much money.
This is mine.
All the streets,
This is yours.
all the nuts, and all the train stations. So I've got all the train. I only don't have these and these, and the rest I've got all of them with all the houses and shit.
Okay.
So it's only a matter of time till you're dead.
Rustig, stop maar.
Now I wanna
5.
betalen.
And it's Neudem, it's 12, 950 please.
There you go.
Congratulations!
Thank you. It took us another 5, 10 rounds?
Did you win?
Yes, I won!
Woo!
I've got all the cards and a lot of money. Esther gave up because it just wasn't any use. There was no winning anymore.
But for you.
I won. I'm so very happy. Thank you.